declaring my boyfriend's insane and diverse record collection, Day 54. Today we will listen to Sonic Youth, NYC Ghosts and Flowers. We also own a signed copy by Thurston Moore.
Jean-Michel, what was it anyway? Saw you there, what was it anyway?
I'm a big fan of Sonic Youth and this album is possibly my favorite of theirs. I really like the artistic approach of this album, and the spoken word tracks are great. Some of the sounds the guitars make are like nothing I've ever heard before. I rate this album 9 out of 10. My favorite songs are Free City Rhymes and NYC Ghosts and Flowers. Are you a fan of Sonic Youth and do you like this album as much?